Thought I'd better document Indy's first ride on a 25 Honda. Woo! Check that thing out. I think she might be a little bit excited. Just a little bit. Hopefully she'll jump at this lap. She's bloody launched it. She's done like 3 laps and she already is jumping everything that she normally does.
First ride on the new 25 Honda 250.
What do you reckon?
I love it.
Didn't take long for you to jump everything.
Yeah, I know. Literally a couple laps in, jumped everything.
They reckon the new one's like something's different in the front end. I actually don't know. I'm not a technician, but
all I know is this is literally a stock bike and it feels great, so can't complain with that.
Film me getting the iPhone vid. That was probably terrible through the iPhone, but anyway. What are these little delights?
Sweet sugar candy man. They're the new Indy Comedy fist handwear collab gloves.
And they're sick.
Lollies. Sweet treats they're called.
Mm.
Do you like them?
I do like them.
I can see you wearing these.
Why? Because I like lollies.
They're very cute.
I'm out here sweating balls. Now it's me time to go bloody jump. Oh, nearly fell over. Look at this thing. Put my new gloves on. Look at these things. Get a bit of sunlight on them. They look amazeballs. I'll go do a few whippies. Probably land on my head. Warning, if you don't like hearing limiters, you better turn off this YouTube video right now. Because we're going to absolutely bash it. That was actually a doozy. Nice little turn down. See if we can quad in. Big quad. Rub. Now, this is a deep little sharpie. Alright, let's see if we can do a turn down. Not a bad little turn down. Change modes, slide out. Woo! We'll shut her off and see you tomorrow at Chesneyvale.
So we're at Chesneyvale Ride Park. Never seen it this busy before. It's retro day, so we're going to go look at some retro bikes, sign in, go for a ride. I got the new gear on today. New 25 gear. Pink ladies gear. Love to see it. Keen to ride. You keen?
Keen as. Can't believe how bloody busy it is. unfortunately that's it for the day, because some guy has had a bit of a bingle and we think he might have broken his femur, so that sucks. Hopefully he heals up well. But yeah, day was cut short, but track was bloody awesome. Pretty rough, bit windy, but yeah, a lot of fun. Hopefully we can come back out in a couple of weeks and have another go.